Next problem is problem number 6. Find the power delivered to an element at time 3 milliseconds if the current entering its positive terminal is 5 cosine 60 pi t ampere and the voltage is A, V is equal to 3I, and B, V is equal to 3di over dt. So, ang pinapahanap dito ay power. This is a problem about power. And kung makikita nyo, okay, specific ang time na requirement niya at 3 milliseconds. So, ano yung power delivered at 3 milliseconds doon sa ating system or doon sa ating element? So, ang gagamitin natin dito ay yung instantaneous power equation. Ang instantaneous power equation natin is P equals VI. So, kung mapapansin natin, given naman ang I, given din naman ang V. Except that, makakakuha tayo niyan ng power equation in terms of time or a function of time. Tapos, yung power na yon, para makukuha tayo ng instant value ng power, we substitute yung ating reference time na 3 milliseconds. So, isang solution para kay A tayo at saka isang solution para kay B. So, solution. Okay, A tayo. Ayan. So, since P is equal to V times I, okay, ang V natin is 3 times I multiplied by I ulit, which is 5 cosine, okay, 60 pi t. Ayan. Okay. Or, actually, substitute din naman natin itong I na value. Pwedeng, ano muna natin, lagay muna natin. So, times I. Mamaya na tayo mag-substitute ng value ng I. So, P is equal to 3I squared. Okay, yan. Since alam natin, okay, bigyan natin dito sa gilid. Since, bakit green? Okay, since ano naman ang aking pen. Okay, since I is equal to 5 cosine 60 pi t. Okay, so substitute natin. 3, 5 cosine 60 pi t. Ayan, squared. So, P is equal to 325. Okay, tapos ito ay cosine squared. Cosine squared 60 pi t. Ayan. So, yung na-squared is yung function mismo ng cosine. So, P is equal to 75 cosine squared 60 pi t. So, this is our equation 1. So, mapapansin nyo, we have a power equation function of time. So, para makakuha tayo ng exact value, okay, kailangan substitute natin yung ating given na condition. Okay? At time equals 3 milliseconds or times 10 is to negative 3 seconds. P is equal to 75 cosine squared. Okay? 60 pi times 3 times 10 raised to negative 3. Okay. P. Okay, P is equal to 75 cosine squared 60 pi times 3 raised to negative 3. So that is 9 over 50 pi. 9 over 50 pi. So, kailangan nating i-convert ito yung ating given na angle. Okay, 9 over 50 pi times 180 over pi. 180 degrees over pi. So that's 32.4 degrees. Naka-region kasi. So, hindi mo makasolve yan ng diretso sa calculus unless mag-region ka. So, convert na muna natin sa angle. So, P 75 cosine 32.4 degrees squared yan. So, P, okay, that is 53.4667. Ang ano naman natin ay although ang given natin ay milliwatts, ay milliseconds sa time. Okay, pero inano ko naman siya, niraise ko siya. Okay, ginawa ko siya dun sa multiplier niya. Okay, so second pa rin yan. So ang unit natin ay watts. Okay, that is our answer for letter A. Okay, paano naman sa letter B? Okay, dun tayo sa letter B. So sa letter B natin, ang given natin ay V is equal to 3di over dt. So as we know, P is equal to V times I. Ang I natin is represented by an equation, pero yung V kasi natin, meron siyang operation. Okay, 3di over dt, kailangan i-differentiate muna natin yung ating given equation ng V natin, okay, in terms ng I dt, okay, para makuha natin yung V and then substitute natin dito. Okay, so mamaya na lang natin gamitin yan. I-ayos muna natin yung V. Kasi like doon sa A, 3i, diretso siya. But this one, it requires na i-differentiate muna natin yung ating equation. So V is equal to 3 di over dt. And then, given naman yung ating equation ng current, 5 cosine 60 pi t. Ayan. And then, V, 3 constant. Ayan. Derivative ng 5 constant ulit. Derivative ng cosine. The derivative of cosine 60 pi t or the derivative of cosine. Inuna natin kanina yan. O sige, mag-recall tayo. Okay. Nandito ko na lang lalagay. The derivative of cosine u is equal to negative sine u du. Okay? So, kanina, the derivative ng sine, cosine. Ngayon, the derivative of cosine is negative sine. Balik tayo. So, differentiate natin. So, that is sine 60 pi t. Okay, kopyahin mo lang. Tapos, gawin mo sine, negative. Okay, multiplied by the derivative ng du niya. Ang du niya ay 60 pi t. So, that is 60 pi. Ayan. And then we arrange 3 times 5. Okay, 15 times 60. So, 3 times 5 times 60. Okay, that is 900. Kunin na natin yung negative sign dito. Okay, sine 60 pi t. Okay, that is in volts. Okay, so ito yung ating equation, let's say equation 2. Okay, so yan ngayon ang kailangan natin para i-substitute. Okay, i-substitute dun sa P equation natin na V is equal to V times I. Okay, meron na tayong given V, meron pa tayong given I. So, V is equal to negative, okay, 900 sine 60t sine 60t or 60 pi t, okay, multiplied by I, 5 cosine 60 pi t. Ayan. So, multiply natin mga constant. 9 times 5, 45, 2, 0, 4, 5, 0, 0. Negative 4, 60.500. Okay, tapos sine 60 pi t, and then cosine 60 pi t. Okay, ngayon, this is another power equation. Kailangan natin makuha yung exact na power na madideliver dun sa ating element. So, at time equals 3 times 10 raised to negative 3 seconds. So, P is equal to negative 4,500. Okay, sine 60 pi times 3 times 10 raised to negative 3. Okay, multiply by, ito ko na nalalagay, 5 cosine 60 pi times 3 times 10 raised to negative 3. Ayan, iayos lang natin. Okay, P is equal to, okay, yung 60 pi, 3 times 10 raised to negative 3. So, that is 9 over 50 pi. Okay? 9 over 50 pi. Yung kanina. Or, so ito, 9 over 50 pi. So, kanina, 9 over, yung kanina kinuha natin, 9 over 50 pi times 180 over pi. Yung kanina kinuha natin, that is 32.4 degrees. Okay, so negative 4,500. Negative 4,500. Okay, times sine 32.4. Tapos cosine 32.4. Ayan. So, P is equal to 6,000 negative 395.5257 watts. Okay, so negative 6,395, or we can represent that in terms of kilo, negative 6.396 kilowatts. Okay, so that is our solution.